Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Citadel 38 Special and 357 Magnum. So as you can see, it's a cool little lever action gun. Looks very fucking small, 16-inch barrel, tiny receiver. It's tiny, I like it. This one's fitted with a Venom 3 MOA red dot. Pretty cool little gun. A couple of things I don't like about it. The safety catch is poo tickets. That's it, that's your safety catch. And the loading gate can jam up a fair bit. It's fairly small, it's hard to get the rounds in, particularly if you're using 357 Magnum. But what is it good for? It's a good little plinking gun. It's nice and light, it's nice and small. Look at that, fucking tiny.
You fucked with me point of aim now, moving the plate.
That was high.
Finally. I think I hit like 2.
Yeah. 2 or 3? Yeah, I think you hit 2.
It's a bit dicky to get that last one, you know.
It's shit, eh?
Yeah.
That's the main thing I didn't like about
Yeah.
it.
You gotta get the fuck in there.
Out of the rifle, that's the thing I hate the most.
Yeah, 100%.
Fucking, that and the safety catch. Fucking
Yeah.
shit else.
It's a nice little stock, like.
Yeah. Everything else about it
Nice.
I love. Like, so
Yeah.
small, it's
Yeah.
handy. Good little farm gun.
Yeah. On low?
What are you shooting?
What do you zero that? This little
Oh.
white gong just here. Short strip.
It was left. No idea. Hit. Has he zeroed it?
Yeah, no, it was just me. The fire off.
Okay.
And then chasing it because
Yeah, the safety is fucking weird on this too. So that's your safety catch, just there. That's it.
That's really awkward.
So you can still rack it and shit. You can still drop the hammer as well.
Yeah.
But all it's doing is it's blocking,
Stopping
physically
the
blocking
hammer from the back
that
of the
little fucking. That's the back of your firing pin. So it's an extension. So all that does is blocks it off, and when you flick it back to fire, it's connected the two. So the extension to the trigger.
Yeah.
Sorry, to the firing pin.
firing pin.
Jesus. What the fuck? Oh, I nearly caught it. Nearly caught it.
Yeah.
What the fuck happened there?
Oh, sorted it now. Nice.
Yeah, it's not a bad little gun, eh?
Yeah. Little red dot's good.
Yeah.
Venom, yeah.
Yeah, I love those Venoms, eh?
Yeah.
If you're looking for a good little plinking lever action, I think these go for about $800, $900, something like that. So they're fairly cheap. They're cheaper than a Marlin, that's for sure. So yeah, if you're looking for a good little plinker, that's probably something to look at, the Citadel. Get amongst it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next one, and hooroo.